this is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix steaks on a gas grill. I've got 2 beef tenderloin steaks. I guess they're like filet mignons. You got 2, I got them on sale, 2 for $20, 2 for $20, and they were regular 2 for $30. So, I really don't even know. I know that a friend of mine told me that they're amazing steaks, so I'm going to try them out. And what I've got to do now is I've got to turn my gas on down here, and my ignition switch doesn't work on the grill. So what you've got to do is you take the grate off, and then you take this little thing off right here. You turn both of them on to high, and I've turned the gas on. And now let me see if I can get this lighter to work. And it'll see it lights both of them. And now I'm going to put this back on. Well, there it goes. Alright, and then put this back on. And they're on high now. I'm going to turn them down to low. Both of them down to low. And I'm going to close the lid. And I'm going to let this warm up for about 10 minutes. And then I'm going to put the steaks on, and I'll bring you back when I get ready to do that. Okay, here's my steaks. You can see that they're pretty thick. And the only thing that I have on these is kosher salt and coarse ground black pepper. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off the left eye now. Well, there you go. Alright, it's off. And the right one I'm turning up to high. And I'm setting my timer. Well, shoot. I just hit a button and it did something, so no. Alright, so I'm setting my timer for 3 minutes. I'm putting these on the right. Hear the wind out here. It's really blowing. Alright, so I'm starting my timer now. And it's going to count down 3 minutes. And then after 3 minutes, I'm going to cut these, flip these, set the timer for 3 more minutes. And I know they're not going to be done then, but I'm going to move them over here, put the lid down, and cook them for probably another 5 minutes. And for mine, Regina likes hers done. I don't like mine done, so I like mine medium rare. I guess that's what it is. But anyway, I'm going to put the lid down now and let these finish cooking, and I'll bring you right back. Yeah. Okay, alright, now I had to turn on, the wind is blowing so bad out here that I had to turn on the other eye. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to move these. I had to cook them for 5 minutes on each side. And it's still really raw. So I'm going to cook it for another 5 minutes. You can tell by pushing these that it's really raw inside. So I'm going to let them, the heat's over here, there's no heat over here. I'm going to put the lid down and cook them for another 5 minutes, and I'll check them then. So I'll bring you back. No. Okay, I have, wait a minute, I'm stopping the timer. Alright, I have cooked, Regina wanted hers cooked longer because she likes hers well done. I don't. So I'm not, the wind is blowing so bad out here that it's really making it hard for the grill to even work correctly. So I'm not sure about this. It is cooked. It was 5 minutes on one side, 5 minutes on the other side, and almost 10 minutes over here. And Regina's has been 10 minutes on the cooking side. And hers, I still don't think it's done, nor do I think mine is, but I'm going to go on and put mine on here and let it rest. And Regina's, I'm going to do the same thing with, I'm going to cover these both with aluminum foil, and when we get ready to eat, I'll bring you back, and I'm going to let these sit for about 10 minutes, and I'll bring you back when we get ready to eat. Okay, I'm back. Alright, now here is my steak. I'm going to cut this, and it's been sitting for about 10 minutes. And as I suspected, that's pretty rare. I'm going to have to cook this some more, and I'm just going to put it in the frying pan because it is a little bit too rare for me. So that just goes to show that when the wind is blowing outside, it's definitely a change in the, look at that. I mean, that's just really, really pink. A lot pinker than I like it. So when the wind's blowing outside and you're using a gas grill, it makes a big difference. So I'm going to bring you back. I'm going to put this in the frying pan and fry it for a few minutes, and I'll bring you back. Okay, here's my steak. I cooked it for about 3 more minutes on, I seared it for about 3 more minutes. I want to taste it now and see what it tastes like. It's still pretty wild, but I think it's going to be delicious. This is the first time I've ever had the beef tenderloin steaks, and they are good. That is amazing. See? That is so good. Alright, so it took a while to get it ready with all the wind outside, but mine's definitely ready now. I'm still having to cook Regina's a lot more, but if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and below there'll be links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and Zaycon Farm Fresh Meats if you'd like to check those out. And also there'll also be links below to different things that you can purchase at Amazon. So you have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.